Hi friends, this is activity 2 for math. Your learning goal is to sort 100 tens and ones, place value. You're going to look at your number 376 and break it apart. You have your ones columns, your tens columns, and your hundreds column. And you look at each number in their place. And you're going to say, well, how many ones do I have in that ones column? And you're going to draw that number of, say, circles in that column. Then you're going to go to the tens column. How many sets of tens do I have in that value, that place right there? And so you're going to draw a certain amount of sets of 10 to represent that number 7. Then you're going to go to the hundreds column where the 3 is. And you're going to say, well, how many sets of 100 do I have? Look at that number. Then you're going to come down and answer these 3 questions. How many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones? And you're done.